Do you want to know how you can log in to your SAW account or your SAW cable account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your SAW cable account. Go ahead and open your Chrome OS browser, go to the Google search bar to search for SAW cable login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official page of My SAW or your SAW cable. Now, it will lead you to this login portal where you can write down your SAW ID, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your SAW cable account. So, all you need to do is search SAW cable login on Google and then click on the first link which appears. After a while, a login portal will pop up which is the official login portal of SAW cable. Write down your SAW ID, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can log into your SAW account. You can even click remember me, and then you can click forgot your SAW ID and password if you have forgotten your ID or your password and want to recover it soon. If you don't have a SAW ID, click register now and you can create a SAW cable ID for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into your SAW cable account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.